So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng double giga stories 149 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And for to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And then dito guys, dial lang natin is asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then after yan guys, may magpa-pop up na option. So ang piliin natin dito guys is yung number 5, which is yung giga. So type natin yung number 5 and then send. And after yan guys, piliin naman natin dito yung number 2, which is yung double giga plus. So type natin yung number 2 and then send. And ayan guys, dito naman, lastly, ang pipiliin natin is yung number 2. So, yun yung stories. So, type natin yung number 2 and then send. So, ayan guys, dito naman is piliin lang natin yung 149. So, nasa number 2 siya. Meron siyang 6 gigabytes na data for 7 days for only 149 pesos. So, type lang natin yung number 2 and then send. So, ayan guys, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng double giga stories 149, makakakuha tayo ng total of 20 gigabytes. So, 2 gigabyte stories sa araw-araw. So, total of 14 gigabytes yun guys, since nga 7 days siya. Plus 6 gigabytes na data and only calls and texts for 7 days for only 149 pesos. So, para ma-subscribe guys, type lang natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng double giga stories 149 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life